do not have a thriving Igbo literature. We cannot seem to reach a consensus on a classical form of written Igbo. And many of us are proud to say that our children do not speak Igbo. Now, languages are really wonderful. I think the more languages one can speak, the better. But what is happening in Igbo land is not about whether children can learn languages or not. It is the result of the lack of value for what is ours. And this lack of value is also reflected even in the contemporary Igbo practice of giving strange names to our children. Names we like, not because of their beautiful or deep meanings, but because they can be easily shortened to sound Western. Cassie, Zara, Jida. Unana Zayelia Fanenweri Sunod. If any of you have those names, I won't blame you. It's your parents I blame.